My 68 Cougar I got here. It was the dream car. I got it for $1,000. It came complete. You can see a few shots right now. I have the seats out of it. It was all here. We changed the car bonnet and we got it running and driving. The brakes work. It runs. It goes in the gear. My beautiful car! I was sold a fucking lemon, bro.
Yeah, you got sold a lemon.
What the fuck?
That's what you get for $1,000. Now don't like warp your fucking transformer.
Probably gonna have to get it replaced. It's almost all gone.
No, transformer.
Yeah, it stops. It does everything you need it to do for a car to be a car. We got a few rust patches in the rear quarters, right here on the roof, and some little rust spots inside the engine bay. If you look in the engine bay, there's a few spots, but not too much. The major rust issue is the floor pans. We need floor pans and toe boards and torque boxes. And then after that's replaced, the car is a solid car besides those major components. So far I've taken out these guys right here that go inside the door. They're fucked up, so I'll have to get new ones. You can see they're eating away. The two of them, they go right there. They cover the fucking the wires and stuff and keeps the carpet sealed in, I guess. And I've also got the majority of the center console bolts removed. I'm just playing around with it, wiggling around, seeing what am I missing before I can pull out the center console. She's stickered! Fuck, is that a piece of wood?
Probably. Piece of plywood to put in there?
I think so.
Oh yeah. No, that's just insulation.
That's just, oh, solid.
Grab it like at the top and pull it out. There you go.
Nick, you want to catch that? Oh yeah. We got a beauty. Watch out. Watch out. We're going to the garbage with this one? No. Wow. Hit the garbage can.
I got the garbage can.
Get more shit to fall out of the garbage can.
What are you talking about? That was fully contained.
Yeah, see all the thick insulation? This is what makes this car 100 pounds heavier than the Mustang.
Yeah, so I was just looking, I was like, wow, I've actually seen insulation in cars, right?
Yeah.
Things like that.
I have a shop broom.
No, but you got a shop vac?
Somewhere.
Because that'd be cool, then you'd be able to suck this thing clean, right?
We could suck it dry. Yeah. We'll have to call your mom over. Oh, dude, you know what I've been finding when I was taking the interior out? I even bagged it. Fucking aircraft change. 68 fucking quarter and a 70-something penny. And I was like, damn, that quarter's from the year this car was around.
Any joints in the back seat?
No fat joints yet. Imagine if we find a fucking complete pre-rollie.
Did you tell YouTube at the end of the build you're gonna give it away to a special subscriber?
Yeah.
All they gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.
They can like, comment, share, subscribe to the video, and
The car will be shipped to your house.
give me a night with their mom. Because they're all underage kids and their mom's gotta sign the waiver, so their mom's gotta come over and sign the waiver.
Is that all?
Yeah, they get an all-inclusive stay at the fucking Sexplex.
Nice.
Yeah. I'll be their host.
they may or may not enjoy the night.
I need a new hood. The last hood was bent because these hinges were seized and bent the hood. When we got it running, the pop-up headlights worked, which is really cool. I was quite surprised because they run off vacuum, and I thought one of the hoses were going to be blown apart, dry rotted or something, but no, they worked. But yeah, besides that, the whole thing works. There's a few little things I got to do here and there. It will be a restoration project, but I just plan on getting it running and driving. Reupholster the seats because they're the bottom on the bench, not the bench seats. What do you call these? Fuck. Whatever these seats are called, the bottom part is fucked. The tops are fine. And then for the back seat, the top is fucked and the bottom is fine. So, just a little work here and there. I have to get new door lock mechanisms and door handles. They were seized shut and I had to break them in order to get the doors open. And then some door seals, a bunch of little things, but it's honestly not that big of a project when you really dive into it and look into it. I'm pretty excited. This is the dream car, so I'm going to be selling that silver Fox body out in the yard. And then the BMW is going to be put on hold for a little bit. And that's all. So I've removed those little kick panels right here on the door. And then all you can see is just the wires that go to the back of the car, which is, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 6 wires that go to the back. That's a pretty simple car. I got majority of the center console stuff unbolted and I'm just wiggling around seeing what I'm missing. And then pulling that out. And then I gotta work on pulling the dash out. You see the dash is rusted down here. So I gotta sand that, take like a wire wheel to it and paint it. And then this center pad right here, you can see it goes all the way to the other side. It's been chopped up and someone put an aftermarket radio in it. So I gotta pull that radio out and make a new center dash pad. I've seen guys do it out of aluminum. It looks really nice. I don't know what they cost to buy a new one. I wouldn't mind buying new. I've seen like wood grain ones and those look really cool. I gotta get a steering wheel. I'll probably get like a Ford racing steering wheel. So I'm not a big fan of it. It has the horn right here, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. This rod I'll pull out, I'll polish up, paint it. A lot of this stuff I have to fucking pull off and paint or just get new because it's corroded or whatnot. I gotta pull the carpet out, start cutting floors out, seeing what I need. That side right there, that little kick panel right there is rusted out. That's a common thing because I was reading about these cars and the common thing is all the water and moisture comes in through that cowl right there and comes through the floors and just rots out everything. So I gotta figure out what causes that and how to fucking stop that. And then I gotta go over the whole car and clear out all the rust, clear out all this gunk, and start getting ready to paint the whole car because I'm gonna paint the car black. So the whole car is gonna be black. As you can see, these are the doors, the inner doors. The car was originally green. So I gotta mask off this, mask off everything, and when I have the floors in, I'm gonna paint everything black. So it's a true black car. So when you open up the doors, the door jambs will be black. Everything will be nice. I gotta order some door mechanisms. I had to cut those out. They were fucked. This is a car that a lot of people would just write off and not touch, which is kind of a smart idea. Should start off with a nicer, cleaner car, but for the price, can't go wrong. $1,000 car, runs and drives. I think she's worthy of a restoration.